Today's video, we're getting pit bike out. First, we gotta move that thing. Got the 250 out, now it's time to roll the pitter out. Now we got the pitter out, let's try and start it. We try and start it one-handed, but we'll start it up first kick, that's a first. I just realized that bolt to my skid plate is loose. Let's tighten that. Alright, skid plate bolt is tightened. Let's start her up again. I would take it for a ride, but right now it's missing a chain. I need to get a new sprocket and a new 420 chain for that. So that'll probably be in the next video. And that's it for today.